Okay, for the log hooks, this is the old one and this is the new one. So the renewal started, for example, from the handle. So you see that there's a bump underneath the handle, whereas the old one doesn't have it, but the handle is straight. And with the straight handle, when you lift heavy loads, your fingers will be squeezed together and that will hurt. Instead of the new handle, there's the bump, which keeps your fingers apart when you lift heavy loads. Then the new blade is much bigger to lift bigger trees and different size of trees. And it's easier to use because there's toothing also on the kind of a shaft of the hook. Then the same design on the handle for the log tongs. And a totally new thing is this trigger. So the idea of the trigger is to make it easy to use. So when you're lifting the log, you can fully open the tongs, and after you have lifted the log and you want to release them, just lift slightly upwards and pull the trigger so the tongs will open. Then to make all these, the tongs and the hook, to be a concrete kit for the woodwork, as a total novelty product, we have the belt. The belt gives you support, but also you can hang the tools on it. So the hooks and tongs will be sold with a sheath, same as axes. So the tools have always a place to keep them and they will stay in better condition. The structure is plastic and it's quite soft, so it bends according your working position, and the tools will kind of lock onto each position, but with a slight wrist move the tools will be released. And the way to use them is usually that you have a log tongue and log hook, whereas the log hook goes here and then the hook goes underneath the log, and you get a firm grip on the log, unlike handles. And you can lift the log in an ergonomic position just by lifting with your feet. And then to release the tongs, just push it a bit upwards and pull the trigger.